Hello, this is Joyce, and I am here with my first Boxy Charm. Yes, this is my first one, and it's the June one. You've seen it, it's out there, but since I got mine, I wanted to show it. Boxy Charm, when you open it up, I had to open it. I've had it a couple days, so I had to open it. When you open it, it has this piece of foam, which you know I will use it when shipping something out. And when you open it up, it opens like that, and it comes. This was on the top, and this tells you about what's in the box. It is called the Caribbean Queen, and these are the Boxy Babes. Oh yeah, look like they're having a good time. And then this just tells you all the items that are in it. You've seen the eyeshadows, but first I'm going to show you these awesome brushes. Got these brushes. Oh, I like the little bag. It's a Ziploc bag, sort of, kind of. Okay, so here are the brushes. I'm taking them out because I want to feel them. Everybody said they feel so soft. This one is, these are Luxie, and this is the 660 Precision Foundation brush. It's so soft, and I can put on my foundation. And then the next one is the Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighter brush. So there is that one. And then this one is the Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush. Very nice. Can't wait to add them to my collection. Okay, and then there is this eyeshadow palette. Let's see. Let's go back that way. Okay, there's this Alamar Cosmetics Volume 1, inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar, featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine, and metallics, and velvety mattes. And you know me, I am a matte girl, but these colors are so pretty. Look at them. That's what that one looks like. How am I going to do this? So I'm going to put some on my hand. That's the green. That one is called Celia. And that's the navy. That is so pretty. I don't know how it would look on me. This one is El Macone. It's like a green. And then this, I really like that one. That could be a highlighter. But those are the 4 sparkly ones. And I'm just trying to wipe the color off my fingers so I can see. The mattes are what I am just dying to use. Not dying. I got a long way to go before I'm ready to die. But that is one that will be... And they are called Coco Taxi, Tropico, Quatana Nera. I mean, the colors are just so pretty. And this brown one, this I'm gonna try that tomorrow. But the colors are so pretty. Oh yeah, I'm just wiping that on my pants leg. They are gorgeous. I love the reason that I decided to get the Boxy Charm was because of the 4 sizes of products, and the price was, I mean, you can't beat the price. My understanding that this box, the eyeshadow palette, is worth $28, and then there is this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Love it, flaunt it, you got it. Fast absorbing body cream. Now you know I'm gonna want to buy this. This can go in my purse. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And It smells so good and it feels so good. Okay, see, that would be something that I love hand creams and body lotions and body creams. This one, I can't wait to put it on my body. Sol de Janeiro. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. So, and I saw this on Sephora. And then that is worth $10 for that size. And then there are the eyelashes, which I haven't had time to play around with eyelashes, but that is what they look like. And they are Baddington. If all else fails, bat your lashes. And the eyelashes are worth $28. I think the total of the product for this one, they said it came to $124. And this is an eyeliner pencil charcoal. Okay. I heard somebody say it was hard. It's not, I don't feel it tugging, but that's not on my face. So, but I'm going to try that. To me, it looks more like an eyebrow pencil instead of an eyeliner, but the pencil is $5. 100% vegan, waterproof eyeliner pencil, glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline. Okay, so I will definitely be trying that. Then there is this Ofra lipstick, long-lasting liquid lipstick. I'm gonna have to wash my hand. Okay. And that's what it looks like. I could probably wear that. I don't know. It's a little light for me, but you know I'm gonna play with it because I could put something else with it. So anyway, there is that, and that is selling for $21. And that's it. I think I've shown you everything that was in my box. Those are all the colors. Pretty colors though. So I am so looking forward to my next box. You know, there are some people that actually tried to make up on screen. I am not good at that. It takes me a while to play with my eyeshadows, but maybe once I put it on and I'm actually dressed, I'll show you what it looks like when I decide to wear it. I am really happy with my box and I look forward to the next one. And yeah, so anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget Boxy Charms. I will have a link to them in the box below. And I also think that I have a link to, anyway, I'll put a link to Boxy Charms in the box below. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you stopping by. And yeah, stay tuned. I will be back with another video really soon. Bye.